Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your classroom app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for classroom app. You just click on search here. Click here on classroom, just click on it. You come to next step here. So then you click here on first stop, you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do is so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.